Welcome to this beautiful West Virginia house on 6+ acres in Bluefield, where privacy, space, and comfort come together in one exceptional property. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on a permanent foundation and offers over 2,200 square feet of well-designed living space, perfect for families, entertainers, or those seeking a serene country retreat. 3 bedrooms is generously sized, while the 2 full bathrooms ensure convenience and comfort for everyone in the home. The open design allows natural light to flow through the main living areas, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Outside, the property shines with 6.43 acres of space to roam. Whether you're planting a garden, raising livestock, or simply enjoying the freedom of country living, there's plenty of room to make it your own. A poured concrete pad is already in place, perfect for adding a future carport or detached garage to expand your property's functionality. For outdoor enthusiasts, this location is ideal. You're just a short drive from the Hatfield-McCoy ATV trails, giving you endless opportunities for adventure and recreation right at your doorstep. Peaceful, wooded surroundings and open acreage provide the perfect balance of nature and convenience. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a private, spacious retreat in West Virginia. With its combination of comfort, functional living space, and outdoor freedom, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath property is ready for you to move in and enjoy. Schedule your private tour today and see why this West Virginia house on 6+ acres is the ultimate Aspen Mansions retreat.